Hello guys, today I'm reviewing Xiaomi Mi 6 Clear Ceramic Edition. Price in USA is $400. Model now Mi 6 Ceramic Edition. Release date May 2017. Status available. SIM status dual SIM technology, GSM, HSP, LTE. Operating system Android 7.11. Nougat version. Dimension weight 182 grams. Color ceramic black, blue, white. Waterproof, yes. Size M 5.15 inches. Type IPS LCD. Capacity touch screen 16 million colors. Resolution 1080 into 1920 pixel. Multitask, yes. 2G, 3G, 4G also available. Speed GPRS, EDGE, yes. RAM is 6 GB. Storage is 64 GB. Into also available to 128 GB. Card slot doesn't announce yet. Rear sensor, dual 12 megapixel flash, LED flash. Videos, yes. Front 8 megapixel. Chipset Snapdragon 835. CPU octa-core. GPU Adreno 540. Type a Lion battery, Lion Pro polymer battery. Capacity 3350 mAh battery. Removable, non-removable. Wireless, no. Flash charging, no. Jack 3.0 jack. Sound fingerprint sensor, yes. Sensor accelerometer, gyro, proximity compass also available. GPRS, Bluetooth, USB, radio, no. Wi-Fi is also available, yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video.